In this video, I will explain you all the fees we have when leverage trading futures on the platform CoinEx. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on CoinEx, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. Then you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $100 of bonuses. And over time, they often have different events running where you can get cashbacks and additional bonuses that you're automatically qualified for. To create your account, simply enter your email address right here and set a password or use one of those options, and then you're ready to go. If you already have an account, you can still enter a code within 7 days after your sign up by simply going up here to your account settings, then go to account overview, and then you will see this forgot to enter referral code. Click on click to enter, and then simply enter the invitation code CTG, and then you will still be able to qualify. So first, let's talk about the order fees. You can see we have a maker fee of 0.03%. Maker fee means that it will be used whenever you're using a limit order. So just to show you right here, if we choose limit in here and open a trade, this would mean we would use the maker fee. On the other hand, we also have the so-called taker fee, which is a little bit higher at 0.05%, and the taker fee will always be used when you're using a market order. The fee rates right here are calculated on the position size and occur when opening and closing a trade. Here you can see a quick comparison of CoinEx to other exchanges, and you can see CoinEx right here with the 0.03 and 0.05% sits right about in the middle, maybe a little bit cheaper than most others. You can see maybe the maker fee is a bit higher than some others, but actually the more important one is definitely the taker fee, because most of the time you will be using market orders, and therefore you can see with the 0.05%, we are definitely on the lower spectrum in here, and most others are a bit more expensive. So I would say fees on CoinEx are definitely good. To give you a small example calculation, if you open a $1,000 position size, you would pay 30 cents of a fee if you use a limit order, and if you use a market order, you would pay a fee of 50 cents. So in general, you can definitely say that the fees of futures trading are extremely low. If you think about how much percent the Bitcoin price can go up or down, or also like the normal spot fee rates, those 0.03 or 0.05% don't make up too much, especially if you compare to the actual profits or losses you would make with the actual trades. But of course, it's still important to know about them. And lastly, I also want to mention the last fees that you have, which are the so-called funding fees. You can always see them up here. They consist of a funding rate and a countdown, and this countdown right here will be reset every 8 hours. The funding rate right here only applies to you if you have a position open exactly in the second where this countdown right here reaches 0. Then it also depends on what the current fee rate is, because this right here can change over time. If it is a positive value, you would need to pay it as a long position and you would get it actually funded as a short position. And if it would be negative as it currently is, you would need to pay it as a short position and you would get it credited as a long position. So this is not a fee to the platform, unlike the order fees that we discussed earlier, but instead it's just a shift between long and short trades depending on the current market conditions and how many people are currently going long and short. Don't forget to pick up the best sign-up bonus possible by creating an account with the first link down from the video description. Or if you already have an account, go to your profile and enter the code CTG to still be on board. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.